Hello students, in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to create a frequency with data set. First of all, you just import pandas as PD. Okay. Then import cbond as SNS. Then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, then create a data set first. Okay, so then create a data set first. Data equal to, then create a age colon, then enter some value here, 23, randomly insert some age, 25, 34, 45, 36, 37, 28, different range, and again 23, 26, 40, 50, 55, 22. Total number data already insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 number of data I already entered. Now just enter comma and create a salary. Create a salary with just same number of data set, that is I think it's 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yes, it's 14. So 1 is 25,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total number of age is 14 and total number of salary I also entered 14. The number of entries would be same. Okay. Then you just close the second bracket, and after that you just create your df. So df equal to pd dot data frame. Just call a data frame here. df equal to pd dot data frame. pd dot data frame data, and plot the df. So let's create the df and print it. This may take some time. Okay, now successfully created. Okay, after creating the df, you just create a range for age. So I am just writing here, create, it's a comment, create. For creating this type of syntax, you just save the file with ipynb, right? If you write ipynb, the VS Code automatically install the Jupyter Notebook extension and it will be running fine. Otherwise, you can use Google Colab. Just log in with your email and open Google Colab, search Colab in Google. Google Colab is a fantastic tool, so you can practice there. Okay, so create age range. Okay, create age range, create a age range, then save it, create a variable here means age 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Create a age range. Now all that I already entered is between this range 20 to 60, right? Then create a label. Okay, labels underscore age equal to, just create 20 to 29, then label 30 to 39, then label, just create a label 40 to 49, then create a label for 50 to 59, right? After creating label, just create a df age range equals to pd dot cut. You just cut as per the range. Okay, pd dot cut df age comma beans equals beans underscore age, that is our variable, then label labels spelling it up, labels equals labels underscore age comma right equals to false. Okay. Now just print the check is created or not in age range. Age range. Okay, the df print age range. You can find the age range is successfully created. Same way you just copy and paste it for salary range. The command is same. Okay. For salary range, you just create a comment box, salary range. It's not compulsory. Okay. Now your code block, just paste it and above paste two variables same as beans. So it's a beans salary. Okay. 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and 60,000. All salary range belongs within these. Okay. Now we are creating a label. Create a simple label. Label underscore salary. Okay. Label underscore salary equals. Just create a label that is 20k. Simple. It's very simple. Super easy. Just 20k to 30k is upon you. What kind of label you set for your data, and in upcoming class I also teach you how to create a graph from it. Okay. Frequency graph like histogram and line graph, all of this, and bar graph. And 40k to 50k, then 50k to 60k. Okay, I'll just update this carefully because I paste this from age limits, label age, otherwise you get some error here. Label salary. Okay, and also this common mistake, salary range. Salary range. Just print the salary range. Okay. Here I create a common mistake. It's call from salary, not from age. Now it's created successfully. 1 and 2 contain the null value. See? Okay. Now you create a frequency. Okay, frequency graph. So for this null value management, you can follow my how to find the replace the missing value and data cleaning part. Okay. Another video I will teach you the data cleaning and missing value replacement. Okay. There you can correct this null value with a proper value set. Okay. So now the frequency table. Okay. For frequency table, you just freshly insert the enter data set, otherwise you can face some error. You just take the enter set first. Okay. Up to df. Paste those. After that, you just create a age range from these beans. Okay. This is for age. You can create a label here. Range for age, and then create a label. Range for salary. Just cut this. Now create a frequency. Okay, using the group by class. So frequency underscore table equal to df dot group by age range comma salary range salary range is square bracket close dot size dot reset underscore index name equal to frequency and print frequency table. Okay, let's check it's working or not. Okay, I think I create some mistake. Salary range cut, just a minute. Salary dot cut just commenting this. That's it. Age range First check from the beginning, commenting all. First check the data set is working or not. This is working. Then print the df first. This df is also working. Then comment the df. Line by line you should debug your code. Okay. Now check the range. It's also working fine. Then check the salary. Is also working fine. Then the frequency. Oh, now the error is from here. Okay. Frequency table df group by age range. In some spelling mistakes. Here age range and salary range. Let's copy this and paste here. Age range, salary range. Okay, salary range. Okay, wait. There is closing closing parenthesis is missing here. Okay, that's why I'm getting error. Okay, resets. And here there is no closing parenthesis. One extra parenthesis is there. Okay, I think now it's running. Okay, now it's working fine. So from this you also learned how to debug the error. Okay, so I think you learned how to create a frequency table. Okay, next class I will teach you how to create clean data and also how to find the missing data. Okay, thank you.